Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TSLA, Tesla. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day on Tesla here right after earnings, and this is what we, in trading jargon, just to summarize today's price movement, this is what we would call a gap and trap. What do I mean by gap and trap in case maybe you're new to trading? Well, on Wednesday, the price closed right there, and then this morning, the price opened up there, hence what is known as a gap up. And in this situation, a very big gap up, which, I mean, makes sense after earnings. And then this is where things get savage. The market opened up. The price made a bit of a move to the upside, and then you can see just right here, some poor souls were buying up around this area, and then it was basically all selling the rest of the day. So that's the gap and trap that took place. But now moving into Friday, a couple other now interesting levels to keep an eye on. And the level that I think a lot of people are going to be watching, myself included, right there at 424. You can see this area has a nice little track record here, acting as support. So while it's not guaranteed, because those just don't exist, it's a more than valid, it's a more than rational thought to have that, you know what, if the price hovers around and then breaks down through there, that break in and of itself could create quite a bit of downside selling pressure. Again, no guaranteed, but it's at least a valid and rational thought to be having. So 424 going to be that first key level of support to watch very closely. Other area of support that I don't know if it'll come into play, but I suppose anything is possible on Tesla. But that next level of support would be down there right around the $420 mark. Now, if there is any sort of attempted bounces back to the upside, the level of resistance that really made itself apparent today is now going to be that pink line there, which on my chart denotes the very famous, the very well-known 200 period moving average. You can see that several times up around here. Price try to get above it, could never quite do it. So if there is any sort of attempted turnarounds to the upside, keep a very close eye on that 200 period moving average, currently valued at, let's just call it 435. But yeah, overall today, rough day with the gap and trap, but we'll see how this one closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.